information about dirt bikes. The first thing, if you have a dirt bike, you want to do is make sure that your dirt bikes are securely attached in the trunk or the trailer, whatever you're loading it in. Yeah, see, that's already securely attached, so we're good from that. The second thing you want to make sure that you have is all your gear. All of this helps you when you're riding. So, knee pads and elbow pads help you if you fall. You're not going to scrape your elbow or knees as much, or it can help you not crack your knees or anything like that. Chest protector is important because these little pieces right here go over your shoulders, and those help you not hurt your shoulders and the chest. If you're riding behind someone, rocks usually fly up, and it won't hurt as much, or it won't really hurt at all because it's hard plastic. If it hits you in the chest. Next thing is a neck roll. You really want this because if you fall and you twist your neck or something, you can easily break it or you can be paralyzed. This helps you keep your neck only side to side and not as much. So you can only move your head about this much. And this is really important because you don't really want to break your neck. Gloves. These are important because if they give you a firm grip on the handlebars, and also they help you if you fall, you won't scrape your hands as much. You really want a helmet because if you fall and hit your head without a helmet, that's not going to be good because you can easily crack your head. You can puncture it. You really need a helmet, and also the goggles. If you don't have goggles, dust can easily fly into your mask right here, all right here, and rocks and the debris, and it can hurt your eyes, causing you to fall off your dirt bike or fall. Last thing is boots. Boots help you get a firm grip on pegs, and they help you shift better because if you have regular shoes, it's harder to shift because it's harder to feel. So these are specifically made for shifting, and also if you fall, you won't twist your knee or break like your shin bone or your ankle or toe or something like that. So now that we have all this, I'll see you at the track.